Hello, Kennedy Kids. Miss McLeod here to do a quick video tutorial on how to get logged in to Google so that you can access your Gmail account and also your Google Classroom. So once you have your device up and going, just go ahead and pull up Google so that you can have a search bar so that we can go ahead and Google search our school webpage, Walter M. Kennedy. So I'll just begin by typing in Walter M. Kennedy. Then once you have it, it'll direct you to the Google search page and we'll find our school link and click on that. And then we're at the school webpage. Okay, when you're at the school webpage, remember guys that this school webpage can take you to a lot of helpful places. So, a few quick tips. You can access Google through the school webpage. You can access Reading Horizons. You can access Reflex Math, AR, and then if you scroll all the way down to the Teacher tab, there's our Pebble Go link right there at the bottom, okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and direct you back up to the top where it says Google, and we're going to go ahead and log on to our Google account so that we can access Gmail and our Google Classroom. So I'm going to click on that, and then it's going to take you to this page, okay? And this is where we're going to sign in. We're going to sign in using that AR login, which is the 3 initials of our name, and then those 4 digits at the end. So I'm going to use a student login, and as you can tell, she has those 3 initials, her 4 digits, and for 2nd grade, of course, our password would be grade 2, so that would be your password, okay? This is the username and password that we use for almost everything. So, username, 3 initials, 4 digits, password, grade 2 for 2nd grade. Then you just click sign in, and it will direct you to your Gmail account, okay? So, that's how you can get to Gmail. If you are wanting to access the classroom, you go find these 9 dots, okay? And then you click on that, and that's going to have a drop-down menu, and you see all the things Google that you might need to use. And I want to access the Google Classroom, so I'm going to click on the Classroom tab. Once I click on the Classroom tab, it will pull up all the Google Classrooms that you have entered, okay? And if I want to find my classroom, Google Class, I'm going to click on Rainbows in 215. When you click on your classroom, it will direct you to the stream where it says stream at the top, okay? This is going to be where I post announcements and your assignments will be listed under them. You can also access your classwork assignments by clicking on the classwork tab, and that's where those will be listed right there, okay? So I'll refer to the word stream in some of your assignments, and that's what I'm referring to is this list of things right here. Okay, and if you want to get back to your Gmail, if you have to do that, you just find these 9 dots again. Click on those, and then you can click back to your Gmail, okay? So once you can find those 9 dots, you can access classrooms and Gmail, okay? And remember, find that Kennedy page, our school website, and it has all those helpful links for you, okay, that you might need. So I miss you guys like crazy, crazy, crazy. And if you have any questions about Google or your classwork, just let me know, and I'll see you guys soon.